Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about BMO Bank's online banking services. The short answer is yes, BMO Bank offers comprehensive online and mobile banking services. You can manage your finances from anywhere, at any time, using their digital platforms. This includes their website and a dedicated mobile app. With BMO's online banking, you can perform a wide range of tasks. You can check your account balances and view transaction history, which helps you keep track of your spending. It's also easy to transfer money between your BMO accounts or to other financial institutions. For paying bills, you can set up one-time or recurring payments to manage your expenses effortlessly. Security is a top priority. BMO's digital banking is designed with multiple security features to protect your information and assets. They also offer a digital banking guarantee that ensures you won't be held responsible for unauthorized transactions. To get started, you simply need to register for BMO Digital Banking. You can do this with your BMO debit or credit card, and once you're registered, you can sign into the website or download the BMO mobile banking app for banking on the go. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.